guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new here, hi, my name's Courtney and I enjoy playing around with all things wavy curly hair. Here on this channel, we use tips and tricks from the Curly Girl method to improve the health of your hair. Today, we will be playing around with the new / not so new Cantu Flaxseed line. I asked you guys over on Instagram which flavor of Cantu you are most interested in seeing, and the votes are in. You guys were most interested in the flaxseed line. I have a little helper down here. For those of you who don't know, I gave birth about 2 months ago, so my sweet baby girl is hanging out with me today here on the floor. So what we do in One Brand Wash Days is we use an entire wash day lineup from one product line. So everything in this wash day is from the Cantu Flaxseed line. I can't think of anything else to mention in this intro other than I would love it if you find these videos interesting and or helpful to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hang out some more with me, feel free to subscribe. Again, I would love to hang out with y'all some more. All right, now let's run into my bathroom and check out how these products work.
Why, hello there, friends. Welcome to my bathroom and my very greasy, way too tight ponytail. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this hair washed. Oh my goodness, it was bad this day. As you can see, we are going in with just 3 products from the Cantu Flaxseed line. Usually I do shampoo, rinse out conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and a gel. But because the styler was a cream gel, I figured it would kind of double as a leave-in conditioner and styler. We'll be starting off with the Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Shampoo. This is a very interesting product. And here I thought I was showing you the ingredients label, but you really can't read that. Good job, Courtney. This product is rather interesting. It's pearlescent, opalescent kind of when you apply it into your hand. It does lather quite nicely and the scent is light and fruity. The original Cantu was like pina coladas on steroids, like really strong smell. The shampoo in this line is a very light, soft floral scent and I love that a lot. Now I am having to kind of work with this. My roots were super duper extra greasy and sometimes sulfate-free shampoos need a little help. I added just a little bit of water to this and it did go ahead and foam up and lather beautifully. Now, looking at the ingredients label, the first ingredient is water. Next, sodium C14, C16 olefin sulfonate, one of my favorite sulfate-free surfactants, and cocamidopropylbutane. This product also contains linseed oil, which is the flaxseed oil. Originally, I got super excited seeing the flaxseed line, thinking that the products would have the same properties as flaxseed gel. However, they just contain flaxseed oil. And in practice, these do behave differently. Each product in the line does contain the flaxseed oil, and these are all quite hydrating, to be honest. Now I have a really funny story for you guys. I am just now noticing in the editing that this conditioner says leave in or rinse out. So this could have served as my leave-in conditioner step. You can see that this stuff is thick. It's very pasty. It's not going anywhere, not viscous at all. And ooh, the fragrance was not good. It was almost the same sort of soft floral fragrance as the shampoo, but somehow it was not playing nice in the conditioner. All right, I don't know if this is coming across on camera, but this product did not detangle my hair super easily. It did not have a lot of slip. And this is the issue for me for most conditioners that are designed to be left in or rinsed out. They're not very slippery, and I could really feel that while I was using this product. Moving on, I did get my hair detangled well enough that I felt comfortable to go ahead and grab my perfect hair care brush to finish distributing the conditioner all throughout my hair. Guys, I swear I did not realize that this was a leave-in or rinse out conditioner product when I was using it here, but I thought to myself, good grief, this sure feels like it is. And now I'm sitting here editing and realize that, oh yeah, Courtney, it is a leave-in or rinse out. Weird how you get to where you can feel things in your hair. All right, now I have just added a decent amount of water to this product, and I am going to do a squish to condition. Now, this is a process of kind of swooshing a mixture of water and conditioner around in your hair. Not only does this help your curl clumps start to find each other and organize themselves into their curl families, but it also gives your hair a chance to really soak up all of the beautiful nutrients in your hair care products. Some of the neat ingredients that are in this conditioner are cetyl alcohol, linseed oil, cetyl alcohol, glycerin, soybean oil, and some silk amino acids along with honey. I think that these are pretty nice ingredients. Not bad for a drugstore conditioner. Now I am just going to organize my curl clumps again. Apparently, I am now officially a brush styler of sorts. I use my brush every single time I wash my hair to kind of organize and form my curl clumps. You can see as I run that brush through my hair, everything kind of turns into ribbons, which is awesome. Now, I did rinse out this product completely. There is no more conditioner in my hair, just for your reference. You can see here that I am swinging my head from side to side to really kind of swing those curl clumps together. This is my version of a rake and shake method. Now I'm just giving my hair one more good scrunch to kind of activate my waves and curls, because goodness, my hair gets stretched out from the weight of the water in 2 seconds. Anybody else? Now we're going in with the Cantu Flaxseed Smoothing Gel Cream. I feel like this product is also quite a good bang for your buck ingredients wise. You've got water, glycerin, aloe, linseed oil, shea butter, and hydrogenated castor oil, and vitamin E and honey in this product. It's got a custardy texture. It's definitely somewhere in between a gel and a cream in the way that it feels. I feel like they named this quite well. Again, really weird smell. I did not like the fragrance of the conditioner or the styler at all. And unfortunately, you will see later that the fragrance does linger. I am just using my usual application method for this styler: glaze, rope, and scrunch. I spend 3/4 of my life now scrunching my hair. You can see that I am applying this on soaking wet hair. My hair is definitely dripping. I'm not necessarily trying to squeeze my hair so hard that I am squeezing all the water out. I'm again trying to kind of swish and pulse the product around in my hair. This makes sure that the product does get into each curl clump, and my whole entire head is going to be receiving an even application of the product. Now that I have thoroughly scrunched in the first application of the product, I'm grabbing just a smidgen more, and I will be focusing the application on the sides and back of my head. My first application really does focus in the front, and the second application is for the back. You can see that my hair in the back is quite a bit longer than it is in the front. I've got some crazy layers going on in my hair at the moment. As someone with fine wavy hair, I find that more layers in my hair is more better. Now, I found myself wondering if the linseed oil, the flaxseed in these products really did have any benefits. And to be honest, I'm quite skeptical that the powerful properties of linseed oil are really effective, because it's probably in really small concentrations in these products. That being said, I really do like the formulation of these products. I feel like if you had a drier, coarser hair type, these would really be an awesome drugstore addition to your regular wash day routine. Okay, I'm curious. I find that when I use drugstore shampoos, conditioners, stylers, I tend to have to rotate through them more. It's like they build up on my hair faster than the high-end products. Anybody else? Now that I have the product applied, let's plop and diffuse.
Hello, here we are in the cast. This stuff did not cast on me at all, Also, we have a very cute little assistant with us today. So if you hear some noises, that's what that is. I'm not sure what I'm feeling, guys, with this. It reminds me, like, the feeling of a mousse. Like, that's what it feels like on my hair. My hair feels incredibly soft. It smells weird. It smells product-y. Not sure how I feel about that. Also, yeah, that's not a cast. My roots aren't wet. We're looking greasy. So here's what it's looking like right after diffusing and air drying to 100% dry. No fluffing, no scrunching. I'm intrigued. Like, there's some pieces that are looking kind of cute. And my hair feels soft, but heavy and a little producty. All right, let me fluff it, kind of organize it, and we'll go from there. Oftentimes, a good root fluff will improve my outlook on a wash day. Never judge a wash day before you scrunch out the crunch and fluff. Oh, it's looking pretty. Here, I don't even have my ring light on. Like, that's kind of nice. That's kind of pretty. Okay. Yeah, we're doing the natural light thing today. Woo. No ring light. Can I find my part? That'll work. Oh, sorry. I keep looking in the viewfinder. I need to look at you guys, because that's who I'm here for. I'm here for you, babe. As I look at the viewfinder when I say that. All right. Here's the hair after I have fluffed it. It did not need a scrunch at all. I don't know how I feel. What do y'all think? How are y'all feeling? Let me turn around. Alrighty. I will be back to show you how this wash day is holding up. And we'll see how it compares to the original Cantu line. Hello, we've made it to the end of the day. I am exhausted. Yeah, the roots, guys, were so heavy and so greasy. But Courtney, you applied conditioner all the way to the roots. That's on you. Maybe, I hear you. But also, I have other products that I use just like this, like the original Cantu line, that don't make me look and feel this greasy and weighed down. However, I have very, very, very little frizz. So trade-off there. I'm nourished, I'm moisturized, I'm not frizzy, I'm a little heavy, a little greasy. So this is how it wore. I do have kind of some pretty little ringlets, but you can see how elongated and stretched out we are. Let me turn around and show you the back. The ends have been stringy all day. Overall, I do like this wash day. My hair feels really soft and nice, and it's kind of big, loose hair, barrel curls almost, but we flat. So there you go.
Rewinding a couple of days, I decided to wash my hair with the original Cantu lineup I used several years ago. Also, my bed's unmade. I did this because I have different hair now, different haircut, different hair texture. Thank you, pregnancy. And this would give us a really fair comparison between the original and the flaxseed line. I did everything the same on this wash day. I plopped my hair, I diffused my hair, and now we are just scrunching out the crunch. That way we can see how the flaxseed line and the original line compared to each other side by side. I feel like with the original Cantu, I maybe got better hold, better curl enhancement, better volume, but I felt like my hair with the linseed flaxseed line was more clumpy and maybe more hydrated and moisturized. Yes, I still hadn't made my bed by the end of the day. Good job, Courtney. But this is what the original Cantu was looking like at the end of the night. You can see that I am more frizzy than I was with the flaxseed line. I maybe, again, had better hold, but there's also some stringier pieces. My hair was definitely more clumpy with the flaxseed Cantu line.
All right, guys, that is how the Cantu Flaxseed products played around in my hair. Overall, I feel like this line compared to the original Cantu would be better suited to higher porosity hair, maybe coarser hair that really needs more moisture if your hair is very fine, low porosity, and on the wavier side, this may not be the look you're going for. I do think these products are nice. My hair does definitely feel super soft and moisturized. For the cost, for the price, I am enjoying it. Who knows? I do have my doubts as to I do have my doubts as to how long this line is going to stick around, because honestly, I kind of had to hunt for them. I had to dig for them. Comment down below, do you still see these products in your local grocery stores, your Walmart, your CVS, your Walgreens, wherever Cantu products are that you tend to purchase? Can you all still get your hands on the flaxseed line? Because I thought it had just launched, and it took me a while to dig for it and hunt for it and find it on the internet. I did purchase mine from Amazon because that was the most cost-effective place to find it. Baby girl agrees. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Do y'all want to see me test out some more of the Cantu products? I kind of had my eye on the acai berry line. I'm interested in that. And as always, I hope y'all are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.